Welcome to your Straight Razor Edge Friday special, mixing scents, soaps, creams, and aftershaves. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. Joseph wrote, sometimes you may have a favorite soap, but you finish the matching aftershave. How do you choose a non-matching scented aftershave that complements the soap? Mixing and matching starting right now. Number 1, check the scent profile on the soap that you're going to be using, and you can use that to match it to the aftershave. Some will have it on the label, and some you will have to go online to see the scent profile for it, but you can find it, and that can be very helpful. Here's our first soap. This is Wet the Face Vintage Barbershop, and if you see over here, that is the scent profile. Woody myrrh fragrance, touch of lavender, clove leaf, patchouli, and sweet musk. The first thing I'll do is match this to a Thayer's, and for this one I would be using the Thayer's Lavender. This is a floral scent which works really well with this vintage barbershop. For the aftershave with this soap, I would be going with Clubman Panade, and this is the musk. This has got a nice sweet musk scent to it, and that will go nicely with this soap. For our next soap, here we go, Barrister Mann Latha Limon. This has got the scent profile right on the front as well. This is lemon, orange, and rose. So I would be going with Thayer's Lemon with this, or with Thayer's Rose Petal. Either one will work really well with this particular soap. And then for the aftershave, I would do Lucky Tiger. This has got a marvelous orange scent, and that will go with that soap just as well. Our next soap, here we go. This is Stache Soapworks, and this is Sunday Morning. Now this has got the scent profile right here on the side, and it is very complex, so I'll just read a little bit of it to you, but you can see it on the screen. So it's got tobacco, amberwood, oak moss, cherry, sandalwood, musk, jasmine, pink orchid, amber, lemon, grapefruit, and on and on and on with this. And it's got some leather in it. It's got some patchouli, some mandarin, spearmint. Oh, this is just a marvelous soap, and it has got a very complex scent. Now for this, I would be going with the Thayer's Lemon. That is going to work about the best with this, and I really think that is a good place to start. Then I would go with maybe Clubman Panade, and this is the original classic scent. That would work really well as well with this soap. Or one of my favorites is the Clubman Panade Musk, and this is again a nice sweet musk that will go nicely with Sunday Morning. Yep. Now the other thing you could do, because it's got sandalwood in it, this will work too. This is Paraso Red, and this is the sandalwood. So this would work with that soap as well. Next up, Pirate's Key, and this is Imperia La Rocca, and right there on the front, that has got the scent profile on it. So that is got lime, cedarwood, patchouli, and bay rum. This is an excellent scent, as a matter of fact. Now for this, I would start off with Thayer's Lemon right off the bat. That is going to complement that soap nicely. And then you could go with Stetson Cooling Aftershave. This is just marvelous, and that would work really well. Now, what you could do is play off the bay rum as well. And this is the Clubman, and this is Virgin Island. This is just marvelous, and it's a fantastic bay rum scent that I don't think you could go wrong with. Now with this particular soap, I might also go with Menn stock, and this one is Spice Island, and this is a bay rum. It is a balm though, not necessarily aftershave, but it could work, right? Next up, Pré de Provence. This is the number 63. Now this is just got a marvelous complex scent to it as well. So the scent profile on this one is peppery. It is got citrus. It's a woody cedar wood, juicy plum, violet leaf, amber base of leather and tobacco. Really good. This is also a favorite of mine. Now, what I would probably do with this is the Thayer's Lavender. I think it works really well with this, but you could also go with the Thayer's Lemon. Oh yes, this would work nicely as well. Now, my favorite with this one would be the Stetson Cooling Post Shave, and this would be probably the best spot on aftershave for that. But you could also get away with the Clubman Panade. This one is the original and classic, and it will work as well. Now, for our next soap, what the puck? And this is the Orange Sunrise. This is just marvelous. The scent profile on this one is citrusy, sweet Sicilian blood oranges, and that is marvelous. I really enjoy it, and it's again a sweet orange scent. So I would start with Thayer's Lemon, just keeping it in the citrus family. That will work really well. And then I would finish that off with Lucky Tiger, because this has got a marvelous orange scent to it as well. What are your tips and tricks to pick a non-matching aftershave that complements your soap? Let us know down in the comments. Really looking forward to this. Now, what I do is I mainly go off of the scent profile again, but I will go ahead, open that soap, smell it, and get it a scent match, okay, just by my nose to the aftershave. And if you do this, it will work, okay? If you use the scent profile and then you go ahead and use your nose and try to mix and match those scents, you can come up with some very interesting combinations that are just wonderful. Stay tuned for the Sunday shave of the day. I will be using Pré de Provence, and it's going to be marvelous. It is. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see if I could only have one this series. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.